Narrator, want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Whether you're camera shy or just prefer working behind the scenes, creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own faceless channel and grow it fast in 2025. Let's dive in. First things first, pick a profitable niche. Here are some popular options for faceless channels. Motivation and self-improvement. Use inspiring quotes, visuals and voiceovers. Tech and tutorials. Explain software gadgets or digital tips with screen recordings. Finance and investing. Provide financial advice, savings tips or stock market updates. Relaxation and meditation. Create calming videos with ambient sounds and visuals. Facts and mystery. Share fascinating facts, conspiracy theories or unsolved mysteries. Pro tip. Choose a niche that matches your interests and has high search demand. Now let's talk about content creation. To make engaging videos without appearing on camera, use these tools. Pictory.ai turns text into stunning videos automatically in video. Great for creating professional-looking content with stock footage. Canva perfect for thumbnails, intros and outros. Pro tip, use high-quality voiceovers. Tools like Murph.ai and Lovo.ai can generate natural-sounding voices if you're not comfortable recording your own. A powerful script keeps viewers hooked. Use this structure. 1 hook. Grab attention in the first 5 seconds. 2. Introduction. Explain what viewers will gain from the video. 3. Main content. Break your content into easy-to-follow points. 4. Call to action. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions. For visuals and music, use royalty-free platforms like Pexels for stunning stock footage. Pixabay, great for images and videos. Storyblocks offers premium content for high-quality videos. Epidemic Sound provides royalty-free background music. Always double-check usage rights to avoid copyright issues. To grow fast, you need to master SEO. Here's how. Use keywords in your title. Research trending keywords using VidIQ or TubeBuddy. Write a strong description. Include relevant keywords naturally. Use tags and hashtags. This helps YouTube understand your content better. Create eye-catching thumbnails, bright colors, bold text, and clear visuals drive clicks. Consistency is key. Follow this strategy. Post 1-3 times per week to stay active. Create a content calendar to stay organized. Focus on improving video quality, titles, and thumbnails over time. Once your channel starts gaining traction, here's how to make money. YouTube ad revenue requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing, promote products and earn commissions. Brand sponsorships, collaborate with companies in your niche. Diversifying your income streams ensures long-term success. Starting a faceless YouTube channel can be one of the best decisions you make in 2025. With the right niche, tools and strategy, success is within reach. Now it's your turn. Which niche are you thinking of starting with? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.